If the denominators of a fraction are not the same, we must first find a common denominator before adding or subtracting. To do so, first find the least common multiple. Then multiply by an equivalent fraction of 1 to make the denominators the same, and finally continue on with the addition or subtraction. For example, let's find the common denominator between 1/2 and 3/8 so that we may add them. First, find the least common multiple between the denominators 2 and 8. A multiple is a number that can be divided equally by another number. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, and so on. In this example, the least or smallest multiple of 2 and 8 is 8. To change the denominator in 1/2 to an 8, we must multiply it by a fraction equivalent to 1. The fraction 4/4 will allow us to change the denominator of the fraction without changing its value. Now we can return to the original problem and continue with our addition. Since the fraction 3/8 already has an 8 for a denominator, we don't need to change it. Continuing with our addition yields an answer of 7/8.